How to set bubble screensaver in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to set bubble screensaver in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your settings. So search for settings and then click on the settings application. Now once you're on your settings, you need to just simply go with the search right here and then search for screensaver. Once you've searched for screensaver, you need to click on change screensaver and you will get this kind of interface. Here you need to go with the drop down and you will get a lot of options, right? So if you want to set the bubble, then you need to just simply click on the bubbles option right here. And as you can see that you will have the preview right here. So you can just also change it to 1 minute or 2 minutes after 1 or 2 minutes or on resume display logo screen. After that, you can go with apply and OK. And this way you'll be able to set bubble screensaver on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.